Conversion Upload feature. To manually upload conversions in Volume, go to the Settings. Click on the Conversion Upload tab. Type a click ID in the relevant field and click Save. It will add a conversion to the corresponding campaign report. If you want to upload more than one conversion at once, place one click ID per line. With the click ID, you can also upload additional data such as payout, transaction ID, and conversion type in that order. To do so, separate each value with a comma. If you do not need to update one of the values, add the comma to separate it out, but leave that as an empty space. For example, if there's a payout and conversion type but no transaction ID, leave the transaction ID value blank. Once ready, hit Save. Thank you for watching.